Going to, introduce, I guess, terminology, arithmetic and geometric means. Basically, you already know arithmetic mean. That's just average. In fact, that's where it gets its name, mean, from. You remember back in stats, they called it the mean. More correct to say it's the arithmetic mean, but we call it mean in stats. So it's simply adding all the numbers up and dividing by the number of numbers you got. There is also another type of mean, a geometric mean. Now, it all comes from patterns. So the arithmetic mean comes from the arithmetic sequence where you add all the numbers together. So a geometric mean comes from a geometric pattern. So instead of adding all the numbers together, we multiply all the numbers together. But instead of dividing by n, we find the nth root of those numbers. So that's what we call a geometric mean. Now, when you talk about number patterns, it can be quite handy for finding numbers in the middle of other numbers. So basically, you're averaging the numbers out. The geometric one would find the ones in the middle of a geometric pattern, and an arithmetic one finds the numbers in an arithmetic pattern. So if I have the numbers 4 and 25, well, the arithmetic mean, add them together, divide by 2, is 29 on 2. The geometric mean's a different number, of course. It turns out to be 10. Now, if I'm talking about a number pattern, then of course the geometric mean could be plus or minus, because we don't know the pattern. But formally, a geometric mean is understood to be positive. So if we're using it to find numbers in a pattern, then okay, we need plus or minus. But the actual formal geometric mean is a positive number. And there's actually a relationship where the arithmetic mean is always bigger or equal to, depending on the numbers, than the geometric mean. Of course, they'll be equal to if all the numbers in the pattern are the same. So that's really all I need to talk about right now. It's just that simple idea there for 6F.